The animal kingdom is full of incredible creatures, from powerful predators that dominate entire ecosystems to tiny organisms so small they are almost invisible to the human eye, yet still capable of shaping life on Earth in ways we rarely notice. Nature is built on survival, adaptation, and constant competition, where every species is forced to evolve or disappear. But within this vast system, some animals stand out not only because of their strength or appearance, but because of how dangerous they can be to humans specifically, directly or indirectly. These are the deadliest animals in the world, not ranked by raw strength or size alone, but by their total human impact, frequency of encounters, and overall global risk. Some are feared for their hunting ability, others for their venom, and some for the diseases they spread silently, without warning. Each one represents a different kind of danger, showing that nature does not rely on a single method to threaten survival. Instead, it uses many different paths to achieve the same result. At number 10, we have lions, one of the most iconic apex predators in the world. Known for their strength, speed, and coordinated group hunting behavior, lions are capable of taking down large herbivores with precision, working together in structured social groups that increase their hunting success. While attacks on humans are relatively rare, they can occur in specific conditions where territory, hunger, or environmental pressure brings humans into conflict with pride behavior. At number 9, crocodiles stand as ancient survivors that have remained nearly unchanged for millions of years. Perfectly adapted for ambush hunting, they often remain completely still beneath the water surface, blending seamlessly into their environment before launching sudden explosive attacks with incredible force. With one of the strongest bite forces in the entire animal kingdom, crocodiles can overpower almost anything that enters their reach during a strike. At number 8, elephants may appear calm, intelligent, and even gentle in many situations, but wild elephants can become extremely dangerous when threatened, stressed, or protecting their herd. Their massive size alone makes even accidental encounters potentially fatal, as very few animals or humans can withstand their physical power. Despite their intelligence and emotional depth, their strength places them among the most dangerous land animals in specific situations. At number 7, hippopotamuses are often underestimated because of their appearance. Yet they are among the most aggressive large animals in Africa. Highly territorial and surprisingly fast on land, hippos can charge with immense force when they feel threatened. Many fatal encounters occur near water sources where humans unknowingly enter their territory, triggering defensive and often violent reactions. At number 6, box jellyfish represent a completely different kind of danger. It's almost invisible in coastal waters due to their transparent bodies. Despite their fragile appearance, they carry extremely powerful venom capable of causing severe pain and life-threatening reactions within minutes. Their invisibility in water makes them especially dangerous because people often do not realize they are in contact until symptoms begin. At number 5, cone snails appear harmless at first glance, with beautifully patterned shells that attract attention in shallow marine environments. However, inside their bodies exists a highly complex venom system capable of delivering toxins powerful enough to seriously harm humans. Their danger comes not from aggression, but from accidental contact, making them deceptively risky in their natural habitats. At number 4, venomous snakes such as cobras, vipers, and mambas are found across many regions of the world and remain one of the most widely recognized animal threats. They rely on venom to immobilize prey quickly and efficiently. And while most avoid human contact, encounters still happen frequently in rural and wild environments. Snakebite incidents continue to be a significant global health concern in many countries. At number 3, scorpions inhabit deserts and dry regions around the world, using venom primarily for hunting and defense. While most species are not life-threatening to humans, certain types carry potent venom that can cause severe medical reactions, especially in vulnerable individuals. Their ability to survive in harsh environments makes them widespread and occasionally dangerous depending on location and species. At number 2, freshwater snails may seem completely harmless, but their danger comes from the parasites they carry rather than any physical threat. These parasites can spread diseases that affect millions of people, especially in regions with limited access to clean water. Their impact is indirect but extremely significant, showing how even simple organisms can influence human health on a large scale. At number 1, Mosquitoes stand as the deadliest animal on Earth, not because of strength or size, but because of their role in transmitting diseases. They are responsible for spreading illnesses that affect millions of people every year, making them more dangerous than any large predator in terms of total human impact. Their ability to silently spread disease across populations makes them uniquely lethal in the natural world. When most people think of dangerous animals, they imagine lions, sharks, or crocodiles as the ultimate threats in nature. But the reality is far more complex because the most dangerous creatures are not always the strongest or most visible. In many cases, the smallest and most overlooked species carry the greatest risk to human life. Nature constantly reminds us that danger does not always come from size or appearance, but from impact and adaptability. Some of the most powerful forces in the natural world are the ones we barely notice until it is too late. And that is what makes the animal kingdom both fascinating and unpredictable at the same time.